Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix, fail to download or apply critical settings on Roblox. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing what you need to do here, you need to go to search and open up Task Manager. On Task Manager, on search you just need to write Roblox and end all the tasks related to Roblox here. It should be no tasks. So this is the first step. Then the next step what we need to do here is to write run on search or press Windows and I key. And then here you need to write % local app data %, okay, and click OK. Then you need to find Roblox folder here. Then you need to go to versions and then delete everything here from Roblox version folder. And then you can close this window here. Then you need to open a search, look for CMD and make sure to open as admin. And here you need to write few commands. First command is nesh winsock reset and press enter. Then nesh int ip reset and press enter. Then the next command, then type ip config, then / and release. Then you need to type ip config / renew and wait for a couple of seconds. And then just need to write ip config space / flash DNS and press enter. Then what you need to do here is to go to view network connections, find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, and then find internet protocol version 4 and use the following DNS server and write 1.1.1.1 and on another one 1.0.0.1. If this does not work properly, then you need to write 8.8.8.8 and then here you need to write 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. And then you just need to restart your computer. And once your computer is restarted, go to roblox.com/download and download Roblox for Windows. Select desktop or whatever you like, and then install Roblox to your computer. Wait for a couple of seconds until install or load up. And then you just need to install like a normal setup, okay? So guys, Roblox now is installed, and if I go to some sort of experience, it should work. So let's see, and as you can see here, now it's working. So that's pretty much it.